1968 Chevy C10. She has the patina look going on. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got the Holley Sniper EFI system, so she is fuel injected. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got the Holley Sniper EFI system, power steering, AC, power brakes. She got an aftermarket gauge cluster. Seat nice and clean. Upper dash. Let's start her up. She's running nice and strong. Make sure y'all go visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. The contact information gonna be in the description below. We have financing available. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.